I'll show you how to draw a mini tornado. First, I have to cut the paper into a small piece of paper. Here. Here. Now, take it off. Now the second one. Here. My paper is very knocked because it always goes away. Here. Here. Now, over here in the small gap we cut. Then after the other small gap we cut. Now we have a small paper. Now we take the pencil straight ahead from here to the other side. Now we have to color everything with pencil. Here. And later now we're going to erase the ones above here. And now we're going to color it. Now I take like this, and after now I make too small. Now we color it with pencil. Now fix it. Here. Now I have to color very slowly over here. Now we're done. So now draw the ground with the water. So now we color everything with pencil. Everything here, everything is in pencil. Now let's draw lightning. Now here lightning. There's 2 lightnings I have to bring. So 1 out of 2. And after next will be 2 out of 2. And now 2 out of 2. Here. Now we have to draw like this. Now let's draw the water. Now I switch spots because it will color the floor. So now I have to color everything in blue. Here, here, now, here, and here for big waves. Here. And now we color everything. Okay, now it goes down. So now, good. So now let's draw some blue going up here and here. After one here, one here. Let's draw some blue like here. And after that, let's do dots more. And now, we made a small tornado. Then after that, if you enjoyed, please like or subscribe.